Have you ever wished investing could be as simple as rounding up your spare change? Welcome to the world of micro-investing apps, a game changer for beginners. Today, we'll explore cutting-edge platforms designed to make your first steps in investing seamless, intuitive, and effective. First on the list, we have Acorns, the app that reinvents how you save and invest. By simply rounding up your purchases, Acorns puts those spare pennies to work. Its user-friendly dashboard and automatic investment features make it a great tool for anyone new to the financial world. Next, let's talk about Stash, designed for those who want control over their investments. Stash provides curated stock and ETF choices, tailored to your goals. Whether you're aiming to invest in clean energy or big tech, this app empowers users with simple education tools along the way. Then there's Robinhood, the pioneer of app-based stock trading. Known for its zero-commission trades, it caters to ambitious first-timers and casual investors alike. With its sleek design and instant access to the stock market, Robinhood turns your phone into a powerful investing machine. For those with consistent goals, M1 Finance blends automation with personalization. This app allows you to build and automate your dream portfolio with customizable pie charts for allocations. It's ideal for investors who prefer a hands-off approach without losing the freedom to dictate their strategy. Want something even more hands-off? Consider Betterment, a robo-advisor that optimizes your portfolio based on your financial goals. Through algorithms and detailed data insights, Betterment ensures smart diversification and growth, even if you're just getting started in investing. With so many options, how do you pick the right app? Focus on features that match your goals. Low fees, educational tools, or automated options for less effort. What's key is starting small and staying consistent. Progress is built over time. These platforms make growing your money approachable, but take time to learn their fine details. Understand fees, investment types, and long-term benefits to ensure your choice aligns with your financial vision. With commitment, even small investments lead to significant growth in the future. Micro-investing isn't just about money. It's about building habits that last. By choosing the right tools today, you take control of tomorrow's opportunities. So why wait? Start small, explore your options, and watch your financial journey unfold, one app at a time. Ready to dive in? Download one of these apps today and take your first investing step. Whether it's spare change or smart portfolios, every small decision counts. Subscribe for more finance tips and start your journey toward financial freedom today.